Hi guys, I'm going to be making some cinnamon rolls with SK. I'll be following this recipe today. Let's get started. So here I got my 4 grams of yeast, and then I've got my 5 grams of salt.
Not this particular. Calling it like convenience stores.
Here it is. Failed ones they are, but tried my best and they look adorable. So I decided to put them in like cupcake holders, and I don't know, I think they look cute. So yeah, let's see how they turn out. I made the cream cheese frosting and I'm just gonna put it in do hiking bag. I've got a fresh hot one for SK to try.
Thank you. Try it now. Is it hot?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Is it? Because it's small, I think it turned out a bit crunchy. Or maybe I just put it there for too long. Oops. So I guess these were a success. I mean, I think I left them in the oven for a bit too long, so they're a bit crunchy, but that's okay. They look amazing. Kind of ruined that one in the middle.